welcome back to another Lori Yoga video. I'm Lori, and today we're doing core strengthening yoga. Today you won't need any props, just a good attitude. Let's get going. All right, so we're going to get started laying on the back today. The knees are bent, walking your feet, and bring your hands to your pelvis. So you want the heels of your hands to press into the ASIS, those two bony landmarks right here on your pelvis. And then bring your thumbs up towards your navel and your index fingers down by your pubis. And imagine that there's a marble in that diamond shape. You want to try to keep your marble balanced in the center of that diamond. But now that it's balanced in the center, I want you to change it. So tilt your pelvis and make your marble move towards your navel. So I call that posterior tilt, or tucking the tail. And then move the marble towards the pubis, anterior tilt, a back bend. Let's do it again. Your Elvis pelvis, tilt it, marble towards the navel, it's posterior tilt. And then marble towards your index fingers, anterior tilt. Try that a couple more times on your own. And then bring your pelvis into a neutral position so that your marble is centered directly in the middle again. You should have a whisper of air right here in your lower back, neither anterior nor posterior tilt. Maintain that neutral pelvis as you lower your palms to the floor. Now hover your right foot an inch or two. And as you switch, find that moment where both heels are off the floor. And switch again. And again. And keep going. Switch and switch. Try not to lift your heels very high as you're working, because it's really, really subtle, the work that's happening right now. We're targeting the transverse abdominals, and that's that sheath of muscle that connects the low ribs down into the pubis. Works like a corset to wrap your navel in and keep it tight. So the higher you lift your heels, the less it's targeting that muscle group. Keeping it going for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower both heels, ground your feet, lift up your seat, stretch it out. Exhale, come right back down. Good. Now bring your hands behind your head, interlace your fingers, and then lift your head up off the floor. Stay here and take a deep breath in. Exhale and curl up so that just the tips of your shoulder blades touch. Stay here, breathe in. Exhale and lower to that starting position of hovering the head. Stay here. Exhale and curl it back up. Again, breathe here. Try to keep that neutral pelvis. Exhale and starting position, hovering the head. Breathe in. Exhale and curl it back up. Stay here. Breathe in. Exhale, lowering the head. Breathe here. Exhale, curl it back up. Stay here. Exhale, head lowers. Not all the way. Stay here. Breathe in. Exhale, curl it back up. Stay here. Exhale, lowering the head. 2 more. Breathe in. Exhale, curl it back up. Stay here. Breathe in. Exhale, lower it back down. Stay here. Breathe in. Exhale and curl it back up. Stay here. Exhale, lower that all the way down. Relax your arms, ground your feet, lift up your seat. Good. Come back down, hands behind your head. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, curl it back up. Stay here. Exhale and twist to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Last time. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. Good. Back to center. Breathe in. Exhale, lower the head. Relax your arms. Ground your feet. Lift up your seat. Exhale, come right back down. Hands behind your head. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and curl it back up. This time lift your feet up. So now I want to create, again, that neutral pelvis and the shins parallel to the floor. Staying here, breathe in. Exhale, twist to the right and stay here. Good. Now from here, I'm going to lower the right toes to the floor and lift. Down and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Back to center, other side. Twist to the left. 8 times. Tap it down and lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Back to center. Exhale, lower the feet. Breathe in. Exhale, lower the head. Relax your arms, ground your feet, lift your seat. Come on down. Hands behind your head. Let's do another one. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl it back up. Lift your legs up. And again, you want to try that neutral pelvis. The shins parallel to the floor. Breathe it in. Exhale and twist over to the right. Good. Now reach with the top hand, then the bottom hand. Reach even more. Stay here. Good. Now straighten out your left leg up to the ceiling. Lower the left leg a few inches off the floor and lift it back up. Lower it down and lift. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Bending the knee, hands behind the head. It's kind of like the Macarena. Come on back to center, other side. Twist to the left. Staying here, reach with the top hand and then the bottom hand. Reach even more. And now just straighten the right leg. And then 8 times lower the straight leg, hovering it, and then lift. 2, 3, 4, 4 more, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Hands behind the head, bending both knees. Lower the feet. Relax your head down. Relax your arms. Ground your feet. Lift your seat. And exhale. Hug the knees into your chest. Good. Take hold of the legs from behind the knees and rock and roll up to a seat. So that was your core strengthening. I hope you're feeling freshly worked in your abdomen. Join me for the next one. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Slap a like on that video. If you have a comment, please leave it. And sign up for the 7-day free trial at laurieyoga.com. See you soon.